Tired of those pesky transaction fees eating into your hard-earned money when transferring from Alipay to Gcash? Alright, first things first. Let's talk about why a direct transfer is generally a no-go. Alipay and Gcash are different platforms, so a straightforward link doesn't usually exist. This often forces you to use intermediary services, which come with you guessed it, euro fees. Now, the most common workaround involves using a third-party money transfer service. Some services occasionally offer promotional periods with waived fees. Keep an eye out for these. To check for these promotions, go to the promotions or news section of either the transfer service provider's website or app. It's crucial to compare the exchange rates and fees of several services before committing. Even a small difference can add up, especially for larger amounts. Don't just pick the first one you see. Shop around. Once you've chosen a service, link your Alipay account and your Gcash account, then initiate the transfer through the service. Make sure to double-check all the details: euro account numbers, recipient name, and the amount euro before confirming. After confirming, the money should arrive in your Gcash account within the timeframe specified by the transfer service. Remember, transaction times can vary depending on the service and the day of the week. And that's it. By being a savvy comparison shopper and keeping an eye out for promotions, you can minimize or even eliminate those pesky transaction fees when transferring money from Alipay to Gcash. Good luck and happy transferring. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips.